Are we live? We are live. Hi guys. Okay. I'm currently trying the new studio. Oh, do I have like a minute delay or something? Oh yes, I have. Okay guys. Then we just simply start. I hope that works. So, okay, let me check the live stream again if it's running. I can't see in this new studio. I can't see anything. Is it working? Let me check. Ah, there is something. Yeah. The live stream again if it's running. I can't see. Okay, guys, we are back. We are here. Okay, I hope that works. Okay, so I won't do a long recap what happened last time. We have, oh hi, the unexpected maker. You are up so early. It's like 4 in the morning or something. Yes. Hi Aaron. So you're curious what's happening today. If I manage to finally do it, finish it. Okay, so yeah, last time we missed on the flyback diode, and we had like a high voltage spike traveling the board from the board here, breaking the FTDI USB chip on the driver board, on the controller board, and wrecking a camera. This camera was wrecked through the PC, but the PC, the USB host, is working again. So that was only like shut down after this high voltage peak, and after a restart that worked again. So 7 a.m. Okay. Hi, crazy Rupes, something like that. Okay. Yeah, where was I? And yeah, we did like troubleshooting, removed this broken FTDI. I will just give you. Okay, like this. Can it zoom? Yeah. So here was this FTDI that's broken, and we have removed it, and I bought a replacement. So we just used one of my tiny boards to bridge that serial connection and see if anything else is broken, and yeah, everything else seems to be fine. Now, I bought replacements, so we got cameras. I think I even got like 2 cameras, since I thought we might need a quick replacement, but where's the second one? Maybe it's in the other room. Okay, so I got one from China and one from Europe, and the one from Europe had like a different focal length or something. So I just got another one from China as well. So I will just make this like. I will just check for the second camera. It should be. Okay, so yeah, this is the replacement. This is the broken one. We have to. So the lens is different. So actually, if we look close, there's a difference in the lenses. So this is the new one. So this is slightly different. Oh, I have to mark the old one. I will just put like some here. Something marking. Where's the second one? I'm curious if the second camera is different as well. I picked it up earlier and put it somewhere here, but I can't find it right now. So, never mind. I will not searching for stuff like that. So, I will just remove. I need to see what I'm transmitting to you. Okay. So, I will just swap the lenses. So this is the old one. And this is the new one. There's some goop on the threads, so it won't be that loose. I think that should be okay now. Okay, so that's the broken one. Let's put it to the side. Now let's connect the camera and check it with the LitePlacer. Oh, it's have been a few weeks that we did something, and I almost forgot everything. So here comes the camera. Let's check if it still working here, or if the new one. I will plug it in and hope the stream doesn't die. We had it somewhere here. Ah, let's turn on the LitePlacer view. Can I make it? Okay. Where's the second camera connected to? Is this connected somehow? I have to check this. Yeah, should be connected as well. Just if you have questions or suggestions, please put them in the comments. I will check them ASAP. Oh, we have one camera. Start. Can see it. Select. Oh, yeah. So this is the new one. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. We have to change the sharpness or set the lens correctly. Or is it? How close is this? Oh, yeah. That will be rather interesting. Okay. I have to screw that in further so we get... I'm not sure what the actual distance will be, but okay. That one is working. Second one. So this will be the... Oh no, this is the up-looking camera. Select. Zero USB, one USB. Which one is which? So... No, that's the wrong one. Up-looking camera, that's right. Ah. Okay, down-looking camera. Start all over again. Okay, that's not the one. Okay, that's the wrong one. Okay. Ah, yeah, now it's working as well. Okay, great. So we have both cameras working. That was easy. But we have to reassemble it. Hi, Brian. What are you doing in the UK? You are from Ireland. Ireland is not in the UK. Hi, Rob. Hi, John. No, it's not going to be really long. I have already some headache and I worked my ass off. And yeah, I will just do a few hours, but I hope it will be like done in like 3 hours or something. Haha. Okay, guys, so We can hide the LitePlacer now. Loop. And do some soldering, I'd say. Surface mount reworking here. So these are the FTDI chips. I got like 2 for good measure. I have to move around, I think, because I can't reach it from here very well. But I will zoom you closer so you will see everything, hopefully. I don't like it. Maybe I will put the camera, the tripod on the table. That could work. Okay. Woo! That's a nice view. It's way better than Louis Rossmann. We can go even closer here. So we'll move this over here. Hi Björn. Hi Rob. Yeah, the breakout is still there, but not long anymore. Okay. I can remove these here, and everything is so tight here. Okay, let's check the FTDIs here. I didn't even open this bag. Not sure if, yeah, they're looking right. Is there marking? Yeah, there is a marking. Tweezers. Workstation on. Where are my tweezers? Zoom out a bit. Where are the tweezers? I'll be right back. I need some tweezers. Here. Okay, so come on. Okay, so this should go like this, hopefully. If not, we have second chance there. Let's zoom in again. Oops. No. Yeah, sorry guys. OBS just decided to crash for whatever reason. But we are back, hopefully. I will just take a second to read the chat. Laser? No, I'm not sure if I would put the laser on that. Unexpected, yeah, stream. No, stream is hopefully back on. Am I back live? Hopefully. Yeah. Okay, you can see everything. Laser. No, I'm not. Okay. Then we are back and I want to solder this one here. No? That's a bit too far. Okay. So that's really tiny, this one. I'll just add some proper amount of flux. And oh, left hand, let's reworking it. Is it oriented even correctly? Yeah. I can't see anything, it's too dark here. I will die from the fumes here. Come on. It's probably the solder residue on the ground pin that's preventing me to align it properly, because the ground plane needs to heat up a little bit more. That can take some time. Almost looks aligned. Some more flux here. So what I will do now is first align this IC. It looks aligned. And then I will use my soldering iron to add some solder to the pins here. Okay, I need some more. No, I shifted it. That's. I can't reach anything here. This is a little bit inconvenient position for me to work. Is it already tagged? Yeah, it's tagged. Okay, there's a little bit more solder flux to remove the bridge here. Nope. Oh, it's horrible. I will completely embarrass myself here doing that live this shitty way. And there's still a bridge. More flux. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, now the other side. Oh, it lifted on this side a little bit. Okay, I hope this is... Does it look good? Not sure. Yeah, it will be okay. Okay, let's turn that off. Hi, Michael. Oh, I have to read all the chat. Okay, so what kind of flux is that? That is a stinky Reichelt flux. So Reichelt is a parts supplier, a German like electronics online store, and I got this from them, and it says it's no clean flux, but it really stinks and gives me headaches, so I don't really recommend it. Brian, yes, you can have my channel here, the trash channel. Yeah, it's almost like 2K subscribers now. Oh, I completely forgot to share the stream on Twitter. I have to do this right now. Let's do it. Don't let our dreams be dreams. Oh, this is slow here. Okay. Twitter. Okay. That will drag in some more viewers. Why? Sion, why are you cringing? Turn up the heat. Yeah. Yeah, I hope so, Rob, that it's the right way around. So much flux, yeah, it's the proper amount of flux. Okay, yeah, I will remove the goop later. So let's connect the boards to power and to USB, and let's try. Maybe we will see the magic smoke escaping when we plug in the LitePlacer to power. I hope it does. Okay. Something is blinking. Let's connect USB. Like that. So let's let the magic smoke escape here. Okay, didn't die. We are still there. Okay, let's see if it shows up. No, basic setup. Refresh list. Is this that one? Nope. Uh-oh. Yeah! Woo! Okay, it's working, it's working, it's working. So we are back. Haha! So all people that doubted my soldering skills, you don't need to put the soldering iron to 400 degrees C to do a surface mount soldering thing. Okay, I will just put up the tripod again so we can start working here with this device. Sorry for the inconveniences with, whoa, that high pitch noise from the motor drivers, or yeah, from the motors is really annoying here. Okay. Do we have a good view of everything? Now let's remove the obstacles and do homing. Oh, you can't see anything. Give me a second. Oop. Happy now? Okay, so it prompts homing. Let's do it. Okay, it seems to work. Ah, it will crush my hands now. Okay, it homes. Nice. So guys, we are almost back on track. What's left is to reassemble this camera mount here, and I have no clue how that's supposed to go together again. Oh. Okay. Don't need to view the LitePlacer. I can maybe just turn off the motors because that's driving me crazy. How do I turn off the motors? I'll just press reset here. Oop. Okay. Ah. Okay. Oh, okay. Sion wants me to remove the flux. Yeah, it's no clean flux. I don't have to remove anything. Yeah. Yeah, it's conformal coating, John. Yeah. Yeah, appropriate day. Oh, there's so much chat. Okay, guys. No, I will not clean the flux right now. That will be something for a break, maybe later. And we will just continue with, come on, continue with this assembly of this tiny little mount here. Bloop. Okay, so this goes like that. Now there's some nylon washers. You can't see anything. My laptop is too far away, I can't read the chat. I could chat a little bit with you. So guys, what have you been up to lately? Isn't it the old, yeah, that's the old broken FTDI. It's still here. Oh, do you want to see the crack in the IC? I can maybe show it to you. If it will focus. Yeah. Do you see the spot here? It's a little bit... yeah, there's a complete crack. That one. There's where the magic smoke escaped. Okay, I can throw this in the trash right now. Trash bin. Oh, where's the last washer? I lost the nylon washer already. Oh, come on. No? No nylon washer for me? Crap. Hi, Julian. Hey, DevBomb. Yeah. Okay. I lost maybe a small nylon washer. Yeah, I did. That's unfortunate. Yeah, whatever. I will just use the screw without a washer here. Instant short. Okay. Now this should be probably somehow like this. I assume the springs will go here. Yeah, that's great. That works. Yeah, DevBomb, that's trash, my trash channel. It's an alternative channel where I don't feel the pressure to deliver proper quality. Wait a second. How does it go? No. Huh? What? Okay, so these are the counter nuts, but they won't go like this. I am somehow lost here. Huh? What? How is this assembled? I have to find a link. The dark side. Help me somebody. Or maybe, no. But that fits so right here. It's like, it has to be. No, that's not the right way. Okay, let me find that in the documentation. Yeah. Okay, I see. It doesn't show. Exactly. Okay, so I have this wrong. So this is going on the other side, even if that fits so nicely. That goes over there like this. So I got this wrong. Yeah. Do I have the Allen key for that? Can use Torx instead. Nope. That will be okay. Ah. 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 What the? I'm a little bit clumsy today. No, Aaron is not bitluni 2, Aaron is bitluni 1. Since he knows better where everything in my lab is and so on. No, guys, I'm sorry. That was OBS again. It crashed. It simply just died. I'm not sure what's happening here. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, please, someone give me an alternative to OBS. A proper alternative. Or I have to update it every time it crashes. It's when I restart it, it tells me there is a new version. Okay. Oh, I just have to. Oh. Okay. So what I almost did a mistake. Look at the power cable. So it's, oh no, okay. I have to disconnect the camera first because everything is somehow, yeah. Oopsies. 10 volts here. Okay. Wow, this is bad. Okay, that should be okay now. Then I will just slide that in. Come on. Oof. Wow, that's still too tight. Did you see my tweet from before? I simply put together a pumpkin that's with this this motion detector, the cheap motion detector sensor, and that runs some NeoPixels. So I put this contraption with ESP32, put the contraption inside of a pumpkin, and when it detects motion, so it has like a subtle red animation, so red LED animation, and if it detects motion, it plays a screaming sample on a speaker that's also inside, and flashing the lights white. That was really cool. So we had like some kids coming to our house today, trick or treat. Yeah, it's trick or treat in English. And okay, I think that is done. We'll just move back carriage here. The camera, oops. The camera is up and running there. So yeah, and the children have yeah, told that they made like pulled out their smartphones and made pictures because they were really like surprised and loved the thing. That took me like 3 hours, and most of this was to put together the code from old projects. Okay, what does the chat say? Okay, yeah. The pumpkin, I just put it's on Twitter, like a short clip that my girlfriend made, because she was completely surprised. I was able to put something together like in the evening today or like afternoon, and it was like 3 hours of work, and it worked at the end somehow, and it was quite enjoyable. I did some recording, but yeah, the footage isn't that great. Maybe I will put it together tomorrow and postpone the video that I'm working on right now and just put out this quick scary pumpkin on Saturday, because currently I was working on a video about sigma delta modulation. It's yeah, the video's okay, I think. So the topic is like more a tutorial or like educational, and my channel could really yeah, would need like some entertainment right now. The last video was also more like a tutorial, so the tutorials aren't that popular. Besides that, I got like message from Hackaday. They want my presentation to be ready until like for 5 days, something like that, and I have nothing prepared yet. Maybe Dave Darko and Alex Tiny LD Matrix have seen a presentation or giving a talk on the Maker Faire, like how long was that, 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, and I held that in German, I think, and I will just take the slides, add some new stuff to it, and translate them, and that would be all, I think. There's maybe I will be able to show off a new board in the public. So that's the, I already sent a picture of this to my Patreons. Now you can see also the back. It's a really, I ordered only 5 of these because that's still too complicated. Has like 2 serial chips and I want to reduce it to 1. And as you can see, it has like 2 USB host connectors, ESP32, VGA, audio, everything you want. And if that works, that will be like a mini computer, ESP based. And what I didn't reveal yet is that I have been coding the complete week on an emulator for the ESP32. Probably, I'm not sure if it ever will be finished, but I got like, I would say maybe 20% of the 8086 CPU already emulated on the ESP32, and I uploaded to the internal file system an image of a boot disk of MS-DOS 2.0, and I was able to run the bootloader, and it even loads additional sectors from the image. But then it something's missing, and it prints, at least it prints on the output no system boot disk error and some stuff. But it completely runs through, and I'm doing like step-by-step implementation of the complete instruction set of the 8086. That's quite enjoying. It's like meditation. So I simply run the code on the ESP32. Do I have a picture now? I run the code on the ESP32 and then do an output of the complete opcodes and all the operators and so on. So I see everything that's executed, and I have a disassembly of that code next in like online disassembler tool, and compare if I get everything right, at least from the disassembly. That's quite complicated on the 8086. And then if I get to a new opcode that's not implemented yet, it will just print not implemented, print out the opcode, and will stop, and I'll implement the opcode and run again. So it started really tedious, like with the rate I was able to implement the opcodes was really low at the beginning, but now it's running more and more at once, and repeat if code parts repeat or something, it executes everything. So I get like a huge listing of opcodes that run through, and now it was able to run through the complete bootloader until the error message. So now what's probably missing are some parts of BIOS. So I have to implement every BIOS operation, since BIOS is like the interface between the hardware and the software. At least I will do the cut there, since I don't want to emulate all the DOS interrupts and so on, and all that stuff. Yeah. see, and that's yeah, I'm really excited if I am able to pull this off. It will be quite interesting, and my goal is also, you can see on this board, my goal is to use, like, since the I have the complete control over the emulation, I can use like USB host and get like mouse input and keyboard input, and then emulate like all the port access to like emulate a serial connection to a mouse or something, or PS2 mouse or PS2 keyboard within the ESP32. So you can connect any keyboard you like and any mouse you like, and use this in the DOS environment. So that will be quite interesting. It will be, if I manage to run like DOS 5.0, or there are some basic interpreters in the DOS versions, or the early DOS versions. That would be interesting to see, like the QBasic running, interpreting a basic code on an interpreted 8086 or higher processor, emulated on the ESP32. So like multiple levels of interpretation and emulation and so on. Okay, but that was like a small glimpse into the projects I'm working on right now. Windows 1.0, yeah, there is, but I never saw it. Oh, yeah, 286 is quite hard to do, since there are some oddities with the 286. Probably that one will work, but 386 won't work. That's too hard to do protected mode as well, and yeah, I won't do it alone. So this will be open source, and maybe other people would like to contribute as well. So if you say, okay, why do you implement that emulation yourself? Why don't you take like DOSBox sources and use that? The DOSBox executable is like 60 megabytes big. The sources are so huge. I want something really lightweight and really just enough to work. So I will just check, run like my favorite software, like some old games, and then I will make them run, and with the minimal amount of effort that's needed, and not like over-engineer everything. So yeah. Okay, back to the LitePlacer, I would say. Now cameras. Let's check them again. Bloop. Set up camera. Oh yeah, I did a reset here, I know. Did it crash, the software? I can't do anything. It doesn't react anymore. Yeah, I just kill it. Okay, guys. I have to kill this software. Where is it? Okay, now it stopped. Great. Okay, let's restart it. LitePlacer. Not sure if that was caused by the grabbing of the screen or something. We'll zoom in a bit. No, nozzle setup. Ooh, type positions. Oh, cameras. Was that the right one? Down looking camera. No, up looking camera. Reselect it like that. Yeah. Okay, guys. That's what we wanted. Yeah. Woohoo! I'm excited. I'm so excited. So, what's next? Okay, I have here. Oh. Emergency. That's how you destroy things. The power supply slided off the table and took the board. Okay, maybe I should just screw it in place here. I could just put it next to here, like this. Just screw it in place. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's okay. That's okay for now, I'd say. Cool. Whoops, tweezers here. Okay. Oh. Hi, René. Okay. Now we have this fixture for the heads here, but I don't know. I didn't see where it should go. So I think I made some markings here, but I'm not sure if that is the right position here to put this. You can't see anything. I'll come closer here. So, where are the heads? Here. Okay, guys, so the LitePlacer is able to replace the heads. So if you need, like, for a huge IC like this white head, then it will go. It snaps in place with a magnet here. So here are magnets. Aaron assembled this sub-assembly here. So I don't even know how that actually came together. And the LitePlacer just drives there in place, like at the right height, and just pulls off the tip. Bloop! It will stay then in place, and then take another one. Okay, that's the principle, but I'm not sure where to place this correctly. So if I place it there, such that the LitePlacer will still be able to go there without triggering the end stop. So this, I think we had like, we have some markings here, but I'm not sure if that will work. So, no, that's a little bit too close to the end stop position. So if I put it there, then the closer to the camera, the better. So, because everything will happen here. All the parts or the boards will be placed like here, and the parts will be placed like here or here. The strips, I'm not sure how yet, but you want the travel time to be as short as possible. So this would be cool to have it here, but I'm not sure if I want my strips to go this way or this way. If I want to put them this way, then it will be shitty to have this thing in place here, because then if I put on like some amount where I can just pull through the strip from the reel, then I won't be able to move through here, because that will be in the way. Hi, Johnny. Okay, I need to find the manual for this step. If you can find it, please help me. Anyone of you built a LitePlacer before? Nozzle setup. No, that's not the... Wow. That's like here. Okay. Set up automatic nozzle change. Okay. Wow, that's a long text. Wow. Okay. It doesn't show where to put it. Hi, Michael. Is the link messed up? Oh no! Sorry. How is that messed up? No, well, I have to fix that. Sorry, guys. No, doesn't show here. Yeah, we'll fix that maybe later. Sorry, guys. It's not that, but you can use the code anyways. You will find the shop LitePlacer.com if you want to purchase one. Oh yeah, there is an R missing. What is that? Okay, I fixed the description. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm starving. I will grab something to eat. Maybe I feel like... Okay, yeah. A short break. Be right back. Nope. I'm back, so I will just eat the banana. Ooh, bitluni is eating a sexy banana on stream. That will be creepy. Have to avoid to give you footage for some pranks. Okay. Oh. PC did a restart. Sorry for you guys. We are back. Oh, music is still running. Thanks. Okay, okay. Back to LitePlacer. I ate the banana. Should I eat a banana on the MakerCast this Sunday? Sian, are you still there? Yeah, you are. Yeah, it was your suggestion, your comment. Okay, so Sian, I hope you are prepared for an enjoyable live stream on Sunday. I'm looking forward to this MakerCast. Okay, so do we mount it there? You know what? I will just do it. Don't let your dreams be. I have still banana in the corners of my mouth. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Do it! Do it! I will simply screw it in place and it will work. You people are probably already annoyed about the way I do this stream. I need the right screws for this task. Oh. Nope. 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 What? Yeah, I take this. These should work as well. Okay. So, my backdrop. What backdrop? Okay. I will just screw it in place here in one hole, and then I will move simply is this correct? Okay, like that, and I will be still able to align it a little bit, align it properly, so I can still rotate it. And what I will do is simply move. I have to move it down so it will align with the first head here. No comment on this last dropout of OBS again. So it's just said coding error. Stupid software. Okay. Ooh, that camera isn't that bad. So that was my former camera. It's not my current one. Was my former camera for YouTube. Oops. Okay, I align this with the head here, like that, and now we'll simply move. Ooh, ooh. Now it collided. Oh. Okay, I have to move this up, back again. Align this. Okay. Oh, the last one doesn't fit. What's wrong? Is there something? Why doesn't it work? That one works. Huh? What's wrong with that? I have to check what's wrong there. Huh? It doesn't go all the way back there. Look, it just stops here, and the magnet. Oh, I have to remove it again. Ugh. Check what's wrong with the last position. Oh yeah. You can probably see it right now. The encoder does it correctly. So, come on, focus. Focus. Okay. So, do you see it? Yeah. There's some burr. I need to remove the burr now. Oops. So, pro tip. Remove the burrs before assembly. Thank you, Aaron. I wouldn't do it either, so no worries. So where do I have a tool to do it properly? Or do I force it? Oh, come on. Oh no, I probably have to disassemble this whole thing because I can't get rid of it. Or maybe I take this file here . Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was a metal chip. Okay. Have to be careful to remove everything there because yeah, that works. Okay, now I will check all the positions first. Yeah. So people, have you tested GitHub? This GitHub support? No, how's it called? GitHub supporter. I have an account that's approved this week. I didn't announce it yet. And the cool thing is GitHub matches all the donations. So if you contribute with $2 to my channel, GitHub will pay additional $2. I didn't read how much they take for the fees and so on, if anything. And I'm not sure how there's nothing, not something like like stream or anything posts like on Patreon. So there's no, I didn't see something like that's there, but there is the possibility to send messages over email to all supporters. And I thought about, I took a day to, or was it a half a day, to come up with new perks and rewards for the support. And yeah, the rewards, I had some for Patreon, but now I don't make a huge difference there. The only difference that I make on Patreon is that the people that supporting me the most, they get like the boards for free first and stuff like that. So if I have a new product, I do a post on Patreon where I tell the people to let's say not apply, but to request a free board. And yeah, that's still aligned properly. Yeah, it's a little bit off, but still should work. So maybe give a different view. So the new perks, they are quite, I have, since I didn't see the option to give like you can just take an amount like for $2, but you can't give like $3 or something. So I would have to make a tier for that. And I didn't want to do this for, or I did some more tiers than on Patreon. And there are different levels. So you can get like since I have now some products in my Tindy shop, and there will be more products coming. I have like 4 boards designed in the past 2 weeks that will most probably show up in at some point in my store, and you can get like a percentage off or even store credit. And if there's something like this one here, so this is not the only one I have. Yeah, where's the other one? So this will be a prototype. That one will probably never make it to the store like this, because it has it's not optimized yet, and that will probably take like at least another month to come to the stores in another form. And since I'm ordering always like from JLC PCB 5 of these, and there are two boards each, so I have 10 pieces. There is a new tier on GitHub that will that's really special, that you can get that early, really early prototype. So this is these are I don't say that there are collectors of bitluni stuff, but if you are collecting stuff that's really rare, not many people will receive the early prototypes in such an early stage to play around with. But that tier is quite expensive, so I wouldn't recommend. You can just wait a month probably and get a board from your store credit or discount, or a free one if you just ask. So I have sent even boards to people that supported me on Patreon with like $1. I didn't care if they ask, and that's okay. So why should I refuse? I refused once. It was because I didn't have many boards left, so I would have to take from the stock. I had like 30 boards for supporters, and all were gone. And that was a supporter for $1 or something. And if the people are around for many months and have like a huge lifetime support, it doesn't really matter which amount you support me with. So, yeah, long story short, this thing is mounted now. Okay. Are we back? Oh yeah, we are back. Guys, are you there? Sorry, my internet connection was gone, so the stream is really buggy today. Oh, so sorry. Okay, can I briefly comment on OpenPNP versus LitePlacer software? I think LitePlacer was originated maybe from OpenPNP. I'm not sure yet. I didn't read everything about this, so I'm really jumped into the cold water. And since there is a difference in how the z-axis, is this the z-axis, is working, so it's flipped in LitePlacer, I will just go with the instructions for the LitePlacer setup and the LitePlacer software first. And once I'm confident, I will switch to OpenPNP at some point. Probably, if it doesn't work. If LitePlacer software is not sufficient for me, I will switch to OpenPNP. That will be probably interesting. And there are probably more viewers if I do content on OpenPNP in future. So, but I don't want to spend very much time doing pick and place. I want to do stuff with this here. So the first, so the main task or the main goal for me is to have something here to pick and place boards like this here. So this will be like maybe 100 pieces at most. With that one, I will optimize it to go faster regarding the hardware as well. And yeah, so my goal is to have this for the shop, since currently I would have to, okay, I can use JLC's assembly, but they don't have all the parts that I need, and I would have to like use then hot air to get additional parts on or place them somehow and reflow again or something. So that's quite hard to do this, and these are too many parts, and I can't give this out as a kit. Nobody would be able to, or let's say few people would be able to solder it without getting problems or getting annoyed or something. So yeah, that's why I wanted this machine, so I can give the boards or put the boards in my shop for affordable amount, so I could do it by hand, but I'm not sure for how long I would like to do that, and that would be, the cost would be huge. So probably if I'm used to it, I probably could abort maybe 10 minutes placing it by hand with all the stuff. Not sure, but that takes some time and effort that would make the price a lot higher. Okay, cool. Yeah, so let's do a calibration. I'm not sure. I didn't read the instructions yet. So hello job. No, the machine assembly instructions, plates guide, electrical setup and calibration. Okay, guys. So don't use for old builds. Okay. Don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, installation of the software. I did the software already. Okay, I think I got the latest software. Overview of the control program user interface. You can see that. Maybe I will put the camera screen grabbing here like that. Okay, so this is the overview. Several pages. Further to the right are 6 user assignable location shortcut buttons. You can name the set corresponding location for these basic. Ah, okay. Location shot up. Location. Wait, how to set it? Okay, I will just start the software again. And we will go through the calibration process here. Okay, so bloop. Oh yeah, interesting. Goes to location 1. Okay. I have to at least okay, at least shut down the software once properly for it to remember all my settings that I done. How do I store the settings somehow? Okay. Run job, basic setup. Okay, cool. Okay, our application settings. Yeah, I will just, no, wrong comport. Okay. I don't know if it stores it as well like that, but okay, now clear the errors. Okay, again. Oh yeah, it's homing. Okay, it's homing. Okay, it's homed. Now Optical position can't find feature. Okay. What feature? So what's with, how do I store this position? Basic setup. Okay. Oh, I need to show you this, the LitePlacer software. Ah, okay. Set current position. Huh? Okay, I will read the manual. Okay, next. Shortcut buttons, next. Okay, first power on, setting default. Okay, that's something we did in the previous streams before. Okay. Oh, interesting. They suggest or to put a masking tape on the keyboard with the but I will do this another time. I don't need to move it manually probably, or maybe I should. Masking tape test. Setting up movement, adjusting movement, setting limits, travel. Other settings, motor power, park location, machine size, communication troubleshooting. Okay, next one. Calibrate nozzle height. Please note that the limit switches should be operational at this point before going further. Reject tube movement. Oh, yeah, tube movement, okay. So, oh, yeah. I will put on a nozzle here. Bloop. Like that. Yeah, review situation. Okay, yeah, so because I triggered the end stop, the firmware stopped. But it's okay, I had to put the nozzle on anyways. So, okay, interesting. So that's quite a lot of text. I'm not sure if nozzle height calibration, okay, clear error. Yeah, come on. Time out. Why would you time out? No, it's blinking. It's blinking, eerie. I have to reset it. Okay. I did reset it. Yeah, do the homing. Can't find feature. Okay, yeah, I don't have a feature. Okay, so what does it say? On the basic setup tab, nozzle okay, clear error and reestablish connection. Okay, on the basic setup tab, nozzle height box, put 0.2 to switch hysteresis box at the starting value. Then click calibrate and follow the instructions. First, you should place a regular height PCB under the nozzle. You can jog the machine to suitable position for this. Checking next will take the nozzle down until the switch triggers. This is the full Z0 for PCB surface measurement. Okay. But I don't understand the 0.2 thing. Okay, we will do as it says. So you are able to see. You don't need to see my hand, but other. Okay. Do I jog it first or press nozzle height? No, I will just put the PCB on here. Maybe I pick another one that's not so valuable. These are okay. Okay, so let's move it a bit. No. Oh. Wrong direction. No. Is there a way to restart here? Reset here? Don't see the reset button. I moved the wrong direction. Okay, what was it? Okay, somewhere here. Oh, that's so annoying. I moved the wrong direction and it stopped again. Oh, good night, Aaron. Hello, Jim. Hi, Jombo Prime. Okay, I have to reset again. Reset. I moved the wrong direction. Okay, that's faster. Okay, like this. And now start the nozzle height calibration. Oh, yeah. It even says what to do. Put a regular height PCB under the nozzle, then click next. Next. Woo! I will zoom in so you can see it. Okay, cool. Oh, this is set Mark 1. Okay. Ah. Okay, let's call it PCB. I didn't see it. PCB. Set Mark 1. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I should move it up again. Okay, jog Z-axis until the nozzle just barely touches PCB, then next. Yeah, what direction do I jog? What's the... Oh, that's the wrong one. Not sure which direction it's moving. No, that's the wrong direction. Huh? What I'm moving here? Ah, yes, that's the rotation. I don't need the rotation. Oops. What? Huh? No. But I did it. Oh man, come on. A little bit frustrating at the moment. Yeah, it's Jim, I agree. Oh, okay. So we have an expert. Roman. You are, yeah. You are an expert. So do you have a recommendation for me how to fix that, except for resetting the complete device? since I have to do the homing again and restart, cancel. I get some masking tape for the labels. Okay. So this one, okay, F6. I will just mark everything because I forget it instantly. So this one is this direction. This one is this direction. Then we have this one is this direction. Can you even see it? No, you can't see it. So here's my masking. This direction, this one will be this direction. Then we have, okay, need another piece of masking tape. So this one rotates like this. This one rotates clockwise. Then we have, this is up. Up, down. Okay, cool. So I want to move this direction, this, oh yeah, much more comfortable. So we are now board position. I will store the position again. Here PCB, so I can and start this all over again. Yeah, next. So I will go up again. Huh? Okay. The problem is the limit switch turns off and then the machine stops. So what do I have to do? Do not try to move the machine XY direction during this. The sufficient accuracy touching any more than the I don't get it. So how I'm supposed to do this? If it turns off once this Graph paper? What kind of graph paper? I don't understand. Okay, so I have the problem now that it moves down, triggers the limit switch, and then when I back off, as it's displayed in the message, it turns off once the limit is disengaged again. So this is what I see. So I'm doing something wrong. Either it's not. It says, yeah, it simply stops because the limit switch was disengaged. I don't get it. Do I have to turn the limit switch somehow off, or what's the catch here? Huh. Any experts on that? Roman? So, okay, I will reset, start all over again. And this time, I will simply disable the limit switches. For that one step here. So let's start clearing the error here. It's getting cold here. Home the machine, since we need the new positions. Ah, it's so cold. I need to put on my sweater. Okay, now I will move to my PCB button. Oh yeah, that works. Okay, great. So that button worked. Now, next. Oh no, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, let's start. Now, okay, I will disable the limit switches and then jog up. Okay, I'm past the limit switch now. Turn them on again and then do as they say. So you can probably, I will just shrink that so you can see. Okay, so I'm moving up. Okay. I would say that barely touches the PCB, and then go one step down And now I press next. Okay, so I have a pop-up message, probing back offset successfully, PCB surface 38.1, back off 2.90. Okay, these are my values. I will just document this if I lose them. These are my values, guys. Do I save this? Is it saved, or do I have to save this separately? Control board settings. Yeah, I will just save everything. Yes, save and override everything. Okay, cool. So we have that calibration done. Next step. Oh, yeah. I'm not sure if I need something like that, Jim. Yeah. If I need something, I can print it even. Well, that's okay. The optical placing should work. Okay, switch the meaning of the values. Okay, next step. We are one step further. Okay, cameras. Oh, okay, okay. Full image versus pixels. Okay. So we need to go to the camera setup, which is done already, and I need to find the resolution. Up looking camera. Yeah, I think that has probably a better update rate if I leave it like that. It can go higher. Okay, full image versus pixels. Zoom factors, up and down zoom factors. Where is this value? Oh. Oh, interesting. Show pixels. What is pixels? Okay, what does the value show pixel mean? LitePlacer is designed to lower resolution. This is likely to change some point. For now, there is a selection between showing the full-size image zoomed with the window and seeing actual pixel. Okay, yeah. Set focus camera. The camera have a manual focus ring. First focus camera. Focus the camera and untick show pixels. Play with the height and set so the largest component you are. Okay. Hello, James. So James, we are doing all the calibration steps right now. So we found some issues already, but I was able to overcome these. Oh, the noise just stopped. Not sure what's happening there. Camera adjustments. Okay, have manual focus ring. Align the camera. Wow. Select draw cross tick box on the right of the image. This draws the right alignment cross image. Put a ruler on your table and adjust position or jog the machine so that a point on the edge of the ruler aligns with the center cross. Ah, okay, yeah, understand. So, long text, but what they actually want us to do is to take a ruler. So I take this one, should be square. And let's put it like this. We have the cross turned on. No, that's too slow. Okay, maybe I will switch the views so you can see what's actually happening. So this will be, this goes up and smaller. And this goes like, okay, so what we want to do now is to make the ruler square. We don't need this step here. Make the ruler square, so we just, where is the ruler? Okay, here's the ruler. We need to somehow I don't have a pin here. Oh yeah. Okay, now I would need to pin that position there. And then move, yeah. Okay, like that, and now I need a pin. Do I have a pin? Yes, I have a pin. Okay, so I have either my badge, I'll just zoom back here, either my badge or a button, but the button that doesn't open that far. Yeah, I don't have another needle than this one here, so I will just use, or I just grab a pin that's not soldered on yet. So this is the pin. Oops. I hope I didn't move it. Okay. So I hope you can see anything. I put it in the corner, and now I will move the ruler so it aligns here with the, yeah, like that. And now we should be able to move back again. Yeah, and it moves along, yeah, along the edge. And now we rotate, we use the lever here to rotate the camera so it properly aligns and is square. I hope you can see this crosshair. I see the fetishes? No. Okay. Let's move it up. Is it? It looks a little bit off. This step is quite important since that will align my parts. Okay, I think we are done with that one. Okay, so that's what you meant, Jim. Okay. Cool. Add diffuser. A diffuser is added. Camera units. Okay. Check draw box. Okay. So I will do that. Yeah, that's not a very precise ruler, would say. Okay. Like that, that's centered. Now I turn off the box. Where is the box display? Oh, draw box. Yeah, it's hidden behind that window. Okay, that's box size. I will just move this a little bit away. So here's the draw box. If you can see it, then we can measure the box size. It's only like 3 point. Is it zoomed in? No. Ah, okay, the zoom that fixes. Okay. So this is the scaling for the box, so it knows how big it is. I would say that's 3.2. No, 3.3. Yeah, I would say 3.3. And Y is, let's assume the pixels are square. Okay. That's done. Yeah, I probably, I'm not sure if a complete part would fit in that. I probably have to redo the calibration if I need to change the focus or something. Make a homing mark. Okay, camera units done. When there is an active image on screen, you may move machine particular spot by clicking on the image. She moves to the spot, making... Oh! What? Okay, Johnny. I can click on the image now and it should move where I clicked, okay? Let's try this. No, that didn't do as I wanted. No, that's completely wrong. But I changed the values. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, wait a second. The box is not 3.3 millimeters, it's twice the size because that's my fault. Sorry guys. You're probably screaming and shouting and whatnot. 6.6 and 0.6. Okay. Now we are talking. Woo! Okay, that worked. Let's center it to this location. Oh no, not really. Almost. Here. Almost. Okay. So the value isn't really correct. I need some more precision ruler or millimeter paper. Do I have some precision stuff? The box is so small I can't really measure the size here. Oh, caliper. I have a caliper. Guys, I found something much more precise, but it isn't, the focus is bad. I have to refocus the camera probably somehow. How do I do that? Okay, I have to rotate. Need a tool. Yeah, that's much sharper now. Okay, less sharp. Okay, that's sharp. Let's try again with the. It should be still should be square, but now we can measure the size of the box. So the size of the box isn't 6.6. That's like more like, since the focus changed, it's like 5.8. What do you say? 5.8. Okay, cool. Now let's click here. Oh, not bad, not bad. No, it's still a bit shy. So it's not 5.8, I suggest. It's probably... Oh, it's moving. It looks good. It's interesting, the mouse wheel also changes. Okay, let's see how the focus is on the PCB now. Woo! Okay, not that great. I have to change the focus for the PCB. That will be much better then. Uh-oh. Okay, that's okay for me. The caliper is a little bit thick, but still in focus. That's okay. Okay, let's try again. Ah, the size of the box changed again. Yeah. So changing the focus plane. We have almost exactly 6 millimeters now. So more like 595. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah, James. Yeah, but no. I'm too lazy to do that. Yeah. Okay. I think we are good now with this stuff. Oh yeah. Yeah, there is a difference in thickness of the caliper. The caliper isn't that good. Oh, you know what? Okay, the ruler looks also nice in focus. We try with the ruler again. Yeah, you are right. Okay. I didn't think about what the difference the thickness does. Now let's do a DigiKey product, not product placement, but free commercial here. This is actually the thickness of a board, and it's a ruler that's quite precise. So, ooh, what's that? Is this, are these inches? Ooh, okay, millimeters. Let's swap back to millimeters here. So what's the square root 1.7 watt knots? So square root of 2. What's square root of 2? Okay, I will just do the measurement again. So we have here 6.5. That's the proper measurement. So sorry guys that I'm acting here like a noob. It's 6.5. Is it 6.5? Yeah, it's okay. Do it. Don't let our dreams be dreams. No, that's not working at all here. What did I wrong? No, it's not 6.5, is it? More like 6.3. Brian would say 6.3. 6.3. No. Is this even worse? Huh? Yeah, it's I'm confused, guys. I'm completely confused. I don't even think that makes a change at all. It's just for this convenience here of the controls, probably. Yeah, it doesn't really do a great job here. No, it's too short. Okay, if it travels not far enough, then it thinks that it is too big, so it has to be 5.9 again, or what? Was this the best call here? No, it's even worse. No. So 6.5. I leave it like that. If it overshoots, then no, it doesn't overshoot. It's quite spot on. Almost. No, it's spot on. Okay, guys. 6.3. Okay, done with that. Setting image processing functions. Make a homing. Okay, make a homing mark. Go back to basic setup tab and click home XYZ button, then the homing operation finishes. Come back to camera setup tab and add a mark on your table to a position up and right less than 20 millimeters from the image center. Add inside of the camera with show pixels unselected. The mark should be smaller round dot or a circle. Okay, wow, okay, home. Basic setup. Home XY. Was it home XY? At XYZ. Now, camera and add a mark on your table to a position up and right. Less than 20 millimeters. Yeah, we don't have 20 millimeters on the image center. I'm probably too close with the camera. That could be a problem. I have to do this all over again. Since we only see like 10 millimeters. Oh, that's not good. Oh. Yeah. Do we have to redo all the steps again? With a bigger field of view? Okay, let's add a mark. Circle or... Okay, let's add a mark here. Okay. What is that mark? So, do I show what to... round dot or a circle? Okay, that dot is too big. It's a circle. Let's leave. Oh, James, yeah, I'm not sure. You have to talk to Juha if... I think that was his name. Not sure if it's open source. Could be. Yeah. Ah. Okay. Let's continue. if we can use that small circle that I have just placed underneath the camera. On the right of the image there is a table empty at the moment and some buttons. This table enables you to select, configure various video processing functions and see what the measurement algorithms see. You can read descriptions of algorithms, reference, simple, basic. Measurement zoom enlarges the center section of the image for further processing, making small features easier to measure. Grayscale. Oh! Am I streaming for 3 hours already? Okay, finding circles. Let's try finding circles. So finding many functions of the machine is based on finding circles with the video processing. The circle finding algorithm looks for a white circle on a black background close to the image center. When you select the Find Circles tick box, the system highlights any circles found. Okay. For example, here are my settings for recognizing my homing mark. The zoom makes the mark bigger. Hey, Sian! Okay, I probably said that the focus is okay. How do I add a function? Add a function. Select a function here. Oh yeah, invert. Invert. Enable. Oh yeah. We need to find the oh, do you know what? We do something else. We have here a board with some fiducials or marking stuff here. That's what we are looking for, aren't we? Something like that. Now we add another step. Kill color. Ooh. Kill color didn't do anything. Does it? Don't see anything. Oh, wait a second. No, it's like where is this Find Circles button? Oh, here. Here is the checkbox, Find Circles. So, does it find any circles? When we invert it. How do I see if the circle is found? How does it look like? Okay, add a function. Edge detection. Edge detection. Find circles does nothing. Find rectangles. Okay. Let's I'm confused. I don't find any circles. Invert. Doesn't work. I don't see any circles found. Thanks, Sion. With the valve direction change. Okay. Okay. Wow, the camera is a little bit laggy. Is it? Zoom. Doesn't find the circle. Let's try the ruler here. That has some circles. Do I have different? Okay. Oh, fiducials. Ah, cool. Let's here are some fiducial controls. Okay, I see there is much to learn about this, and I think circles, no results. Okay. Circles, no results. Okay. Invert. No results. Round. Okay, I turn off the lights here in the room. Maybe... No, doesn't help. Okay, doesn't help. Okay, I have to find out how to do this. Tape positions. What this to display? What does it mean? white circles on black back. Yeah, so I have to set up some filters. Okay, I try last time. Okay, so kill color doesn't. No. Grayscale. Threshold. Okay. Oh yeah, that works. Yeah, I found the circle here. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. That's the fiducial here. It found its threshold. Okay, what if I turn off grayscale? It's much better. What is copies the measurement algorithm lists to the table and uses it for video processing. Copy here, copies the algorithm from the table to be used in finding fiducials. Ah, okay. So there was no, so to display is, this is the display, and if we set something up like threshold here, like that, and put on some threshold here, like that, then we can do copy here, copies the algorithm from the table to be used, and okay, the tooltip really helps. Okay, it's copied. Now, can I move to the fiducial measure? What does it do? Yeah, I got. Okay, I'm not sure how to move. Manual confirmation, tolerance. Okay, so that works. Okay. Do we try some rectangles? Let's take a look. We have something here. Yeah, there was. there are some rectangles found. Yeah, that works as well. Okay, that part is done. Okay. True homing. When the homing mark recognition works, press the big homing mark. Yeah, that is something I will do later. What I would like to do next is up-looking camera setup. Oh, whew. Oh yeah, we have that mirror. Yeah, go to sleep. Okay, let's read through the camera setup. So next thing is to up-looking camera. Align the camera, set the image size. Place the ruler above the camera so that its edge aligns to the middle of the image. Go back down looking camera tab. Hi Mike. Okay, that's a bit tedious to do. Okay, up looking camera, not now. Yeah, that noise is the device. It's constantly driving the motors to hold it in place. Okay, camera locations, PCB 0. Okay, there is a ton of options, and that's quite annoying and boring for you to watch probably. I would like to do some like component detection or automatic nozzle change. Please read the description of the nozzle setup here. For repeatable results, I recommend using a reference for rotation 0. No homing on rotation axis, but make mark on the big pulley so you see the axis position. Make habits to look at the pulley before powering the machine. If the mark is not pointing to 0 location, turn the axis by hand. You don't need super accurate on this. Have alignment pulley, coordinates in the system, blah blah blah. Closest to you. Okay. Yeah, that they turned off now, the stepper drivers. Oh guys, that's a lot of work. Yeah, let's try. Okay, this is the last thing to do. Nozzle setup. It's a little bit confusing to read, but I think we can simply switch to the nozzle setup and do it and not let our dreams be dreams. So if we can do a nozzle change today, we have further than Sion will ever be with his pick and place machine. Sorry, Sion. Go to Okay. Okay, I will try to do as follows. I will move the device, the thingy, to the place of the first nozzle. Yeah. Oops. Oh. Okay, I try to align that properly, like that. Does it look okay? No. Yeah, that's okay. I go back up. Load, nozzle, start. So do I have to copy X and Y here? X. Okay, you can see it. So I will simply crush everything here. So we want to I have moved the device to the position, and I will paste everything. What does this mean? Oh yeah, move one axis. So okay. Let's keep it like that. What is goal? Oh yeah. Ah yeah, that's 0, that's up. Setup, number of nozzles. How do I... Oh, get coordinates. That's cool. There's a button for getting coordinates. How do I move to the first position here? How do I select this? Go to start position. Okay, nice. So let's move the machine away somewhere else. And now let's move it to the start position. Go. Woo! Ha! Yeah! Did you see that? Okay, cool. First move, Z-axis and move amount. Okay. What move amount? Do I have to... go down. How much? 1 or what? How do I test it? How do I change the nozzle? Okay. Is it still aligned? It's aligned somewhat. Change. Wanted nozzle 1. Okay, we unload. Ah, now I get it. Okay, so we press, we change this. It's unloaded. Now we want to change it. And we want to change the first. Ah, okay. Now it moves 1 millimeter. Let's say, let's move 10 millimeters down. Okay. Unload. And now load. Oh! Oh! Guys, I zoom in so you can see it. See what's happening here. So I won't do all the calibrations today, but I'm at least able to configure some or learn a little bit of this stuff. So we can go like maybe 5 millimeters further. I will just back. Okay, back. Let's say 15. So unload. And then load. Oh! Yeah! Almost, almost. There's 1 millimeter missing. Probably we have to like do... Okay, well, the unloading procedure, it's a little bit dangerous. No. But I like the freedom that the software gives with all the movements. So we can configure it to our needs. And you could design your own holder or even print it if you want. Okay, unload and load. Still not in completely. We need a bit more. Let's say 20. Okay, and up, up, and unloads. Almost. I would say 20, 21. 21, let's test 21. Okay. Isn't that exciting, guys? At least here's something happening now. Ah, I'm still not happy. 22 it is. Okay. Is it completely in? I'm not sure, really. Okay, let's move. Next axis would be X. And let's move by how many millimeters? $25 something. Let's say 30 to get a good clearance here. Okay. I'll make it 23 to see it's actually... Oh, maybe we should after back up a little bit after pushing down. So I will move 30 here and here Z -1 or something, -1 or -2. Let's try it. Okay, we have this and okay, and let's see. I will just so you can see what's happening there. Okay. Oh! Okay, I have to back up a little bit more. I'm happy. Okay, what does the... Oh, so many chats here. Okay, I read the chat. Wow. Brian is back. Okay. Oh. Oh, too long didn't read. Oh. Okay, so what? Yeah, unexpected maker. The holder doesn't need to have to be straight since I screwed it on straight, but you can set up individual position for each nozzle. Brian from the UK is back. Yeah, there is a nozzle in. Okay, I have read the chat. Okay, guys. So we want to back up like 7 millimeters because it's yeah, it had like, oh, I just unloaded manually. So that's the procedure that we have to do later for unloading. Plop! And snaps back in. Nice. But now we want to try the loading again. So guys, here we are. Whoa! That's perfect! Yoo-hoo! I don't know if we have to go up again after. I don't want it to crash into the holder here. Maybe I will go up again. Z, like so, up. No, 20 millimeters. 22, 23 again? No. Wait a second. We went down 23, up 7. Oh, yeah, that's not right here. If we have a nozzle, no, unloading is okay. There is no nozzle in, so it should be okay. But we want to go back here and put -22. Okay, that's all we need. Okay, let's do the unloading. So, get the coordinates. What did I do? Okay, so start position. I'd say it's the same as here. Oh, copy unload start positions from the load end positions. Oh, that's great. Oh, what? No, but it's... Move amount 30 millimeters. What did I do here? Yeah, X, Z, start. That's not correct. What? That's not, or oh, the z-axis is probably inverted. Yes, it is. Okay, no, that's correct. And then we move 20 minus 30. Oh, there's something missing in between. Z. No. No, yeah, there's a step missing. No, this backing up isn't needed. We can simply move the 20 millimeters. Should we try it step by step? If we crush into it, go to start position. Okay. Okay, guys, let's just unload it. Oh! 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 Did you see that? Oh! Oh! Ouch! Ow! Ow! Okay, we probably lost steps. We have to home it again. Damn. Okay, so we need to start. We need to move like 18 millimeters here. Yeah, that was okay. Let's home it again. Okay. Yeah, no feature there. Go to Z0 no. Okay, force status. I changed so it thinks the nozzle 1 is still loaded. Can I do it like step by step or slower or something? I don't want it to crush anything. Okay, let's try it. Oh, this was too high. Hey, why is it so fast? Okay, let's home it again. So it's 19 or what? Okay, yeah, I can't find feature, whatever. Fast status. Okay, once again. Woo! Ha! 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 I'm a genius! Guys, did you see that? Looks at the large speed box on the right. Oh, large speed box on the right. Where is the large speed box? Oh! 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 Okay. Oh, okay. Bitbastelei. Thank you for that. Okay, guys. So we have the nozzle changes here. Okay, great. Oh, okay. So, is there something else we can do? I will set up. You don't need to see every single nozzle. I will just vision parameters. Is there vision? Wow. You can use, no. What vision? Okay, there is a lot more to this thing. Lot more to this thing than you can probably check if the nozzle is loaded probably or whatever. Okay, but I will skip that for now. Oh, set up tape positions. Woohoo! That's great. Okay, small parts. Dip, dip, dip. Part 1, part 0. X, Y, Z. Whatever. Place rulers. Oh, nice. Yeah, cut tape rulers. Okay, it's a lot of text. Do I have a piece of tape here? Yes, I have. Let's load the first nozzle. Ooh, that robot behaves. Yeah. Okay. So I have here a piece of tape. And what does it do? Okay, usually we would have to fix that in place and everything. But I will just try to check out. Oh, tape positions. Nice. Check out if that works. Oh, you can see it. Sorry. Okay. if that's, wow, tape data. I will move it. What nozzle is down? No nozzle is down. What? It says nozzle is down. Do I forget something here? Do I have to put minus here? No. What's the problem here? Nozzle is down. What? Nozzle up. Oh. Okay. Guys. Okay, okay. Oh no, unhandled exception. No. Okay. Be careful not clicking edit when there is nothing there. But how do I add something there? Add there. Okay. Oh, okay. So I will move. Oh no. Yeah, okay, that will not work since we have no correlation between the camera. So this is not calibrated, the camera position. I think this is even wrong way around. No, it should be supposed to go like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is that all? Now edit. So, yeah, what width is this? Not sure. Direction Y plus. How do I move to next position? Is there a possibility to move to next one? Oh, go next. Oh, that didn't work. Uh-oh. Okay, this is the first one. Huh? Oh, maybe that's the next part. Okay. I want to go to the next position of this one here. No. Set hole 1. Move up, move down. Doesn't change anything. No. Oh, I deleted it. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, how do I set the next one? Did anyone see something that I missed? Jim, nozzle load release. Nozzle load release. Where was this? Step. Nozzle. Was this here? Okay. Okay, I will. And now change again. Do I have control now? Yeah. Nozzle is down. Hä? I can see nozzle. I can see the nozzle. Nozzle up. Yeah, it does nozzle up, yeah. Go to hole 1, okay. Go to next. Go to next. Zero movement command. Why is this 0 movement? Did I miss something here? Rotation, orientation, nozzle. Offset, part pitch. There is an offset set. Alignment test 2. Show hole. Oh yeah, that's working. Can't find feature. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, I have to learn quite a lot of stuff here. But that seems to work. Okay. What do you think? Is it enough for today? We are 4 hours in, I think. Relative or absolute, Jim? I don't understand what you mean. See, a nice try. I tried that already 2 times. Okay, guys. I think let's take a look at what we have. I will zoom out a bit. So this is the LitePlacer, and both cameras work again, serial communication works again, and I can change nozzles. So let's see it in action. Oh, nice. Then load again. Then we did some camera stuff. So we added here function like threshold versus threshold, yeah, like that, and that helped a lot. Helping a lot. Type positions. Oh, that doesn't work with the type positions. Okay, yeah, whatever. Nozzle is up, then do nozzle up. For whatever reason it goes there, and no, not set hole 1. Oh no. Ah, I reset my hole. Okay. Yeah, but we have plenty of functions here. And to a short Looney style recap for this end here. I'll just whoa, the Oh no, guys. Am I back with my sound? No? Hello? You're there? Oh man. Fuck. No. What? Come on. I did all the talking. Ah, crap. No, I won't do the recap again. So guys, sorry about that. So to TLDR recap for you. Yeah, we learned a lot. Software, lots of details, and most enjoyable part for me was seeing the nozzle change. That was cool, setting up the path. And yeah, we took a look at how to place the parts on the table, and that was it. I have to do some work. I will take a time off, like 2 days, to do the nitty-gritty details, and come back to you with a stream, placing the first board, and after that is done, I will do a video on the main channel, and that's the short recap here. It was really enjoyable with you all today, and I hope to see you next time, and thank you for being here, and for the supporters, thank you for supporting me, and for the other people, thank you for sharing and liking and being just around. I really enjoy this. Cool. See you next time. Bye. Now I have to find the off button again.